Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka Demo Graphics, and today I'm going to do another Halloween piece. So we've picked this spot here in the city centre, and shout out to Sago Nerd, someone that I've recently met from Norwich. He's a sick artist, but we're going to be doing a fresh piece over this because this is like the biggest wall in this spot. So yeah, we're getting there. We've got the sketch marked up. Got the Dems with the character, the alien character from Simpsons in there, Bart Simpson. Well, he's the Batman, Bart Simpson, and we've got another alien there. We just decided to go with the Simpson theme because of the Marge in the background, so we thought that'd be quite cool to do a Halloween Simpson thing. So we just made it up, the idea, on the spot. So we got here about 9 o'clock, we arrived, and it's now 11:15, so we are storming through it. Got the outlines up there and we're filling in. So yeah, good progress. We're on target for like finishing at 1 or 2 hopefully. Yeah, so what I've done here is I've applied this misty dust with the Brescia, I don't know how you pronounce it. This nice teal kind of colour. Used an Astro to dust it on, and you want to do it at this stage before your outline goes on, so you get that dust in there, and when you whack a black outline on, it's going to bring your piece forward and add depth. So you get that dusty background in, and then you add your 3D and background on top.
Anywhere else you think's a bit busy?
No, it's looking good.
Yeah, I don't like that.
It's not good.
It's not good.
Yeah. Okay, so just a quick one whilst we're here. Just as an example, we've just seen the mess left behind. A little reminder to people painting chill spots or legal walls to take your paint with you when you leave, because what is going to have a knock-on effect for everybody. If you leave a mess, then the council are going to be unhappy, they're going to get complaints, and then we won't have these sort of spots, we'll lose the spot. So it's quite simple. If you come painting, you rock up to a legal wall, make sure you take all your cans with you. Not only do you keep the place tidy, but you're stopping other like little kids from picking up spray cans, toys from tagging over your work. So just common sense, if there's any dregs, take them with you and dispose of them at home. Peace. So yeah, the skip that I've rented is nearly full. Just got to do a little bit more, but a little bit of a backstory. I had the skip for about a week, and then I was going painting. I was painting the Simpsons wall, and it was for Halloween, and then basically the skip hire people just turned up. I didn't realise I only had it for a week, and yeah, they wanted to take it away, but managed to blag it and get it for an extra week because it was only like a third full. But yeah, it's nearly full now, and yeah, then they can come take it. But yeah, digging all this mud out of the garden, and I found a well or something underground, so that's quite interesting. Yeah, so my brother's come and he's helped me dig out this section here. So I did all this myself this morning, this first half, then he helped me with the second half, and yeah, the well is just under this slab here. So any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below what you think I should use the well for. Could hide some dead bodies in there or something. But yeah, this is all going to be foundations for the man cave. Sean.
Turn around.
Sean.
Yeah.
Look at me then.
You need to paint your eyes black. She knows.
So it's Halloween. I've got my Darth Vader mask on, and it makes a sound effect. I've got this ghost hologram. I don't know if you can see it, a little ghost hologram. My plan is when the kids come with the trick-or-treating, I'm going to come out looking like Darth Vader. I'll probably scare them a bit. Can I help you?
Trick or treat.
Okay, so that's it. Got to the end of the video. Got the Bart Simpson themed wall on there for Halloween. So it's the second Halloween piece that I've dropped in the new city that I'm living in. And yeah, it's good to be meeting some of the locals. Shout out to the guy that passed through, I think it was Jerk, who owns a paint shop, so big up yourself. Big up Flip Shadow and all the other mans from the last video. Say go nerd. So yeah, if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.